Anutu manisite majedu Kanurmata te malugodu Harraborit kanafide Rankomo simale Kuno har as amasidide Free our men!
Okay, we are the Oromo community in St. Louis, and we are protesting what's going on in Ethiopia under Abiy Ahmed. We promised at the beginning to do reform. After a while, he changed everything. Now he put more than 9,000 Oromos in jail, and Oromos are suffering a lot. So we are opposing that, and we are voicing our concern.
My name is Bevtu, and I'm here today to be the voice of my people back in Ethiopia. I'm worried about my family because I want them to live free in their own country. I want them to be led by their own people, by whom they chose, by whom they desire. That's why I'm worried, because they're not living in peace. The whole point of us being here today is we want to be the voice of those people, of our family.
I have family members, friends, so it's really worrying, being in a free country, but your whole family is somewhere where they, anything can happen to them anytime.
The injustices occurring in the Oromo region have to do a lot with unjust imprisonment. So they're imprisoning a lot of our political leaders. There's multiple Oromo political parties, and the leaders of all of them, except for the state-sanctioned one, have been arrested.
We wanted to be their voice. We want world to know. We want U.S. in particular to know not to support it, not to fund the Ethiopian government so that he can do what he's doing to our people.
We want the Missouri representatives, senators, and also the American government to put pressure so the Abiy Ahmed can do the reform as he promised and to make that country better.
In the U.S., most of us are citizens here. We pay tax, and our tax goes to Ethiopia. Of course, we don't want the U.S. to hold, funds that U.S. give to Ethiopia, like totally. We want it, when it's given, it should be with some sort of evaluation and assessment. Where is that money going? Are they using it to kill our own brothers and sisters? We want the U.S. government to hold Ethiopian government responsible in every penny that they send.
We are voters, we are taxpayers. They can stop funding killers. They are killing our people. They are not doing the right thing at this time.
We're not here, to just yell and shout and go back home. We have so many beautiful things. We want to come together and to be seen as everybody else in Ethiopia. There are so many atrocities happening in the country, so I'm worried about that.
To be Oromo for me means to live free of fear, to live as an Oromo person, to enrich my culture, my faith as I wish, to be led by the person whom I vote for, who is voted by my people. To be Oromo means to be free. We are a very generous people. Oromo people are very generous. They're very kind, yet very clever. They are the ability to lead themselves. So that is what's being hindered from them, and that's what it means to me. To be Oromo means a lot to me.
We created with Oromo. Oromo means it's life. We created by God. We are Oromo, we created. As long as we created, we're supposed to respect it. Oromo is the respectful people who hold the countries together, who is dying for the countries, who arrange the countries as the shape as this time. We like the country.
In my opinion, the best thing you can do if you're not in Ethiopia is talk to your member in Congress, because Ethiopia gets a lot of money from the federal government just because the Ethiopian government won't hold itself accountable. So we need to rely on Oromo people in America, in Germany, and other places to take their host governments and have them hold Ethiopia accountable. And that's something you can do even if you're not Oromo. So it's very possible.
Someone who is not Oromo can support us anytime in different ways. The first thing is really to support, to oppose what the Ethiopian government is doing to our people.
In short, it's equality and self-governance.
If you are looking to help and you are completely new to this, I would suggest searching up the hashtag Oromo protest on either Twitter or especially Facebook, oromoprotest.com. So it's very easy to take that first step.